The E sentences. Sustain the E for 3 seconds. We, sweethearts, are reading about Argentina. The second time through the same sentence, sustain the E for 1 second. We, sweethearts, are reading about Argentina. And now just long enough to feel the vibration. We, sweethearts, are reading about Argentina. The next sentence. Stage 1 for 3 seconds. He wore jeans and a t-shirt with short sleeves. Stage 2. Sustain the E for 1 second. He wore jeans and a t-shirt with short sleeves. Stage 3. Sustain the E just long enough to feel vibration. He wore jeans and a t-shirt with short sleeves. Tonal action both uses and creates energy, but without effort. Let's take a few seconds now to stretch again. Right. The whole body stretch forward. Stage 1. Lying under a green tree, eating meat and cheese, his feet fell asleep. Stage 2. Lying under a green tree, eating meat and cheese, his feet fell asleep. Stage 3. Lying under a green tree, eating meat and cheese, his feet fell asleep.